Hi, I'm Christy Levitt. My life before Back Pain Relief for Life was filled with episodes where I would do something strenuous and injure my low back. I have two little children, and in chasing them and keeping up with them, a lot of times I forget that I need to lift things the proper way, and I bend over and throw out my low back, and it takes me out of commission for a couple of days, and I can't do my normal routines. After a session with Back Pain Relief for Life, I felt immediate relief of the tension that I had in my back, the cramping, the walking with my rear end sticking out. Instantly, I felt relief for all that. The stretching, learning how to move my legs and rotating my legs really just made a great difference. When I stood up from working, doing the exercises, I felt lighter on my feet, more relaxed. It was an amazing program. After the second session, I felt like I was even better at doing the movements, and it was something that I could continue to do. This worked way better for me than a time when I saw a chiropractor and just felt like I didn't really get anything out of that. Other times in my life, I tried to go and have massages when my back felt sore, and a massage feels great, but it really didn't get to the root of the back issues. And doing the Back Pain Relief for Life program really helped me kind of target in on those areas in the low back that really needed to be stretched and increase the range of mobility and things. So I'm very happy with this program, and I want to continue to do it, and I think it's going to be very successful in getting rid of the back pain that I've had. I would absolutely recommend Back Pain Relief for Life for everyone. For anyone that has any back issues, it's great, and I think anyone can do it.